Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about the biography of Warren Buffett. Before starting this video, I will request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. If you like the video at the end, press the like button too and share with your friends more and more for the information. Do comment. Let's start the video. Biography of Warren Buffett. Who is Warren Buffett and what he did, what is his achievements, I will tell you all. Warren Buffett in full. Warren Edward Buffett, born August 30, 1930, Omaha, Nebraska, US. American businessman and American businessman and philanthropist, widely considered the most successful investor of the 20th century, having defied prevailing investment trends to amass a personal fortune of more than $60 billion. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett was the son of U.S. Representative Howard Homan Buffett from Nebraska. After graduating from the University of Nebraska BS 1950, he studied with Benjamin Graham at the Columbia University School of Business MS 1951. In 1956, Buffett returned to Omaha and in 1965 took majority control of the textile manufacturer Berkshire Hathaway Inc., turning it into his primary investment vehicle. From the 1960s through the 19s, the major stock average rose by roughly 11% annually, but Berkshire Hathaway's publicly traded shares gained about 28% per year. Though Buffett's success with Berkshire Hathaway made him one of the world's wealthiest men, he eschewed lavish spending and criticized governmental policies and taxation that favored the rich over the middle or lower classes. In June 2006, Buffett announced that he planned to donate more than 80% of his wealth to a handful of private charitable foundations. The main recipient was the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, created by Microsoft founder Bill Gates and his wife, which focused on issues of world health and education. Gates and Buffett had maintained a close friendship since the early 19s, and the foundation was slated to receive Buffett's funds in increments that would eventually raise its assets to an estimated $60 billion. The other organizations receiving donations were those run by Buffett's three children and the Susan Thompson Buffett Foundation, named for his late wife, which focused on women's reproductive rights and funded college scholarship programs. During the subprime mortgage crisis of 2007 and 2008, Buffett made a number of deals that, though questioned at the time, proved highly profitable. In September 2008, he invested $5 billion in the US-based bank holding company Goldman Sachs Group, and the following month Berkshire Hathaway purchased $3 billion in General Electric Company GE preferred stock. In November 2009, Buffett announced that Berkshire was buying the railroad company Burlington Northern Santa Fe Corporation for about $26 billion. The investment group already owned approximately 23% of the railroad. In 2011, Buffett was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Hope so that you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon too for more updates. Do comments and share this video with your friends for the information. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.